We've developed a proprietary solar cell that changes the fundamental ways that solar cells are developed. Traditionally, solar cells are strung together by hand welding the tabs together. We have converted that solar cell technology such that the positive and the negative terminals are on the backside of the cell, which allows us to use printed circuit board to do the interconnect wiring. And what used to take weeks, sometimes even months, to hand wire panels together, we can do in a matter of hours.
Watching our technology grow has been an amazing adventure. Seeing it go from what we would call our traditional conventional cells, which is a lot of manual labor, physically putting a cell onto a substrate, and going to the SMT technology, which is a pick and place by a machine. It has minimized our risk and accelerated our ability to have greater throughput. We can deliver more watts per array just due to the amount of space that we can cover and the ability to apply more cells on a given substrate.
Some of the main benefits of SMT is it is scalable. We can produce power modules that are literally the size of your hand, all the way up to giant wings. And we can produce those at a fraction of the time that you do with a conventional approach. Most of the people who want to have the SMT technology use it because we can deliver it in much quicker than anyone else can.
We really captured what inline production looks like, how to move hardware, how to support being flexible without being too over-constrained, as well as the need of increasing capacity and driving throughput so that we can meet these bid proposals that we don't even know are coming down the pipeline.
When we bring people in our facility and they see our surface mount technology, they are amazed at how fast it is and how efficient it is. And we are seeing an unbelievable demand in this technology and how we can implement it for their solutions.
Our contract with the customer was to deliver fully functioning solar arrays in 8 weeks. And the team here was able to expedite that with delivering it in 7 weeks. Not only is it good internally for morale and all that, but also externally. We showed the whole industry that we can do this for future orders.
We have outgrown this facility and we are taking up as much space as we currently can. And so we have developed and built and designed a brand new facility about 10 minutes from here that will greatly expand our footprint. We're going to go from about 20,000 square feet to 80,000 square feet of production space.
Our new facility is a new introduction for Sierra Space to drive industry disruption.
So the best thing about our new facility is it being specifically designed for our SMT technology and the building of solar arrays. And so we have optimized the layout of the facility to be in a production environment and a production flow so that we have even more efficiency from the start of the SMT line all the way through the delivery of the solar arrays.
We're thinking different, we're behaving different, and those two mindsets drive action to being a flexible and dynamic production facility that can pivot quickly so that you have low cost, high quality, and that our portfolio of products, in this case, power modules, panels, and wings, can be delivered in a way that the customer is pleasantly surprised beyond their expectation.
3, 2, 1, please.
I believe that I have been gifted an opportunity to put my passion into the work to make us different in a positive way so that we can produce, we can make a change, we can offer a service that no other company is doing right now. I'm at the right place, at the right time, with the right team to drive being different. And that to me is super exciting. It just shows in the work that we do every day.